Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable intelligent hide beam on your XPeng vehicle. So I am on the XPeng P7 Plus Performance. Now you guys can go over into the vehicle's settings, and here in the settings of your vehicle, you go over and open up lights. Here in the headlight settings, you should have the intelligent high beam, and it should be as a switch. So here you can go over, turn it off. I would recommend using it because it will switch between low and high beams depending on the time and the visibility. Also, it will reduce, as it even says here, the driving hazards. So I would recommend keeping it on, but of course, if you do not like it, if you want to switch it manually, then you guys can do it. And that's basically it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.